Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Now we're going to take a look at the phrase, "Tell me about a good bar." Here's the situation. You are in a new city. You've never been to the city before. You have some time tonight. So, you want to go and have a drink and have a good time. But you don't know where to go. So, you ask a friend, "Tell me about a good bar." Then your friend starts to tell you about a bar he went to a long time ago. He tells you that he had a great time there. He tells you all about the bar. You then ask your friend where the bar is. Your friend tells you that the bar is in a different city. You are confused because you thought your friend would introduce you to a good bar in this city. What is the problem here? Why did the friend talk about a bar that was not in the same city? The problem is the phrase, "Tell me about." We use this phrase when we want to hear a story about something, or we want to get information about something or somewhere. If we want to know the location of a place, or if we want our friend to introduce us to a new place, we can use these phrases instead. Do you know any good bars nearby? Are there any good bars near here? Do you know of any good bars near here? All of these are good for when you want a recommendation. Today we looked at the sentence, "Tell me about a good bar." The phrase, "tell me about," is used to ask for information or to ask for a story about something. If you want a recommendation for a good bar, you should use this. "Do you know any good bars nearby?" Or, "Are there any good bars near here?" Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.